Hi guys, today I wanted to stop in and share with you my little tips and tricks for making your home feel like a 5-star hotel. You guys know that I love traveling and vacationing with Eric and with Chase, and so nothing makes those vacations feel even more special than when the hotel staff treats us like the 5-star guests that we are. No, seriously guys, one of the things that you can do to make your home feel like a 5-star hotel is incorporate these little slippers right here, guys. I purchased these on Amazon. I'll leave the link for them below. But guys, these are the exact slippers that we get waiting for us in our hotels. I love that they are individually wrapped. When my guests come over, not only are they able to wear these around the house, but guys, they are actually able to take them with them. So they're nice little parting gifts. And so guys, something else that you can do to make sure your home feels like a 5-star hotel is make sure you have a coat closet or some space designated where your guests can hang their coats, put their purses, and a wet umbrella. I love that we have this coat closet here off of our foyer. We have hangers. As you see there, we have some smaller umbrellas. I love these small umbrellas, guys. Let's say it starts to rain as your guests are leaving. These are great little takeaways for the guests also. These right here are from Five Below, so they were only $5. And I know that the Dollar Tree has their variety of these as well. So these are just great to kind of have on hand just in case your guest needs them. We also have the larger ones here, guys, in case of a really big pour down as your guests are starting to leave. It would be great that on their next visit they bring these back, but again, I believe those were around $10, so not too much. Great for your guests. It helps them to feel that they are important and thought about as they enter and exit your home. Smells are also important, guys. I love that many of our really nice 5-star hotels actually have their signature scents. Some of my favorite right now are the green clover aloe. This is actually the signature scent of the Grand Floridian, one of our favorite vacation places in Orlando. So I actually had to pick up several more bottles. Yes, I have this one here in my home. Several bottles were purchased on our last trip to Disney World, guys. These little oils, these little scents are great to put in diffusers and have them kind of billowing throughout your home when your guests come over. Paper towels are great, guys, but nothing beats a really fancy Vanity Fair hand towels. I love these. They're so thick, so rich, so luxurious. And this box right here, guys, is so gorgeous. You could house them in the box. However, I love placing mine on a really gorgeous tray. It just really sets the mood. Again, it makes not only your guests, but also your families feel they are just really thought about. I love storing or placing the hand towels in all 3 of our guest bathrooms. Fresh flowers, guys. There are very few things out there that say welcome like fresh flowers. I picked these up at my local market, and as you can see, guys, they were very inexpensive. A little tip here, guys, is to purchase your fresh flowers that still have a few buds on them, meaning little flowers that haven't really opened up yet, that will give you a little bit more lifespan to your flowers. You do want to have some that are already open, but again, you want to find some that are also a little bit tighter. Then guys, get you a really pretty vase or container. Here I'm sharing with you a few of my favorites. So all of the fresh flowers, guys, at my local market actually come with plant food. And so because I purchased 2 bunches of flowers, I actually received 2 pouches of plant food. So after pouring my pouches of food into my container, I just kind of swirled it around with a little warm water. And then I simply cut my stems to size. So for me, arranging my little flowers in the container or vase is actually the fun part. You want to make sure that you pull away any leaves that may be dangling around inside of the water. You don't want any of the leaves to be hidden inside of the water. And as you can see there, guys, I am going back and just trimming my flowers up a little bit more. But guys, you know, you can arrange these however you see fit. Just make it pretty. About something to drink, guys. I love the infused waters the 5-star hotels that we vacation at have just on display. So pretty, so simple, yet so elegant. So all I did here was purchase this container of water, remove the label because you want all of that pretty fruit, all of those pretty little items that you're going to drop in your water to be shown. Guys, this container of water was 89 cents. All right, and so now we're going to fill this container, guys, with some cucumber and some really fresh, some really fragrant, gorgeous mint there, okay? Really quick tip here, though, guys. You want to be sure to pour out some of the water. As you can see, I have poured out maybe about 1/8 to 1/4 of water here at the top. You want to make sure you do that so that you can have some room for all of these little fresh little veggies and fragrant mint to go. This is something so simple, guys, but both your guests and your family will just assume that you spent so much time on this little infused water. You can use strawberries, you can use lemon, you can use watermelon. The options, guys, are endless, but again, the impact is going to be that of a 5-star hotel. And now, guys, we can't leave without learning how to fold our towels like a 5-star hotel. All right, guys, just a really tight roll there. This is going to be so simple. The first thing, guys, that we want to do is make sure that we have our towel out nice and flat, okay? Then we're going to go up to the top, guys, take one corner and fold it over to the other corner, creating, what is that? An obtuse triangle, I believe that's what we call that in geometry. Okay, and then, guys, you're going to take the other half below that triangle and fold it over, meeting the other end of the towel as well. You're going to want to make sure, guys, that you have everything nice and smooth. Really simple here. All right, go ahead and flip that towel over, guys. Again, making sure you have everything nice and smooth. You'll be able to do a better job than me. I'm just, here doing this for demonstration. But when you're doing this for your guests, make sure you do it really nice and neat, okay? We're going to take the bottom of the towel now, guys, and just roll it all the way up till we get to the top, like a jelly roll. All right, now guys, here as we get to the end of our roll, we want to take the pointy little tip of our obtuse triangle and stick it into that little pocket that we just created. Really simple, guys. Stick it in there really good, nice and snug, and it's going to make for a really tight, a really crisp roll. Okay, look at that really perfect hotel towel. And I'm here to tell you guys that this works with hand towels as well. I do this a lot for the hand towels downstairs in our basement gym, and also my hand towels in the kitchen. I want to thank you all for stopping in today. Really do appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.